one of the most popular questions here.
Yes.
Is that you are Igbo and that you are denying that you are not Igbo. Are you Igbo or not?
I'm not. You see, people must understand things. We are in the Eastern region. Nobody can deny that fact. We're in the Eastern region. People interpret my name as Wike. They don't understand the history of Wike. In my place, Wike means a newborn baby. See, Wike is a new baby. Right? They said Wike is a strong person or whatever. That's not my point.
They don't want you to deny your Igbohood. They said, for example, your first name, Ezenwo, is an Igbo name.
No, you see, that's why we have to be careful. My name is Ezebunwa. Now, you see, nobody can deny the fact of affinity with Igbos. Nobody can deny the fact that in our place, your mother may come from Igbo, your father may come from Igbo. We have had that cultural affiliation and affinity. You cannot deny that. After all, there's nobody that can say you came on your own. We have all links here and there. Some people trace, today, some Ikore people in their own history say we come from Benin, right? We come from Benin. Okay, I may believe the history. History is not something you can say is sacrosanct. Some people have their own views about history. Okay, like you, Dele Momodu, you're from Yoruba. Ayaibu came, Oduduwa descended from heaven. Maybe. I'm
actually from Edo State.
Okay, no, I'm just sorry. Okay, fine. You see, the Dele Momodu. You see,
Delegiwa too was from Edo State.
You see. No, but you see, some people will now say you are from the Yoruba because your name, you are similar. Your name resembles a Yoruba name. So when people here say, I'm from Igbo, they may be right because of the name. But you cannot say, let them trace my history. I'm not going to run away. I have nothing against the Igbos. I've lived with them. They're very good people, very entrepreneurial, very innovative. But that does not mean I will change. I will not do that. Look at what one boy, I don't know his name. I heard you interviewed him. I don't know. Okay, let me remember. I was told. They say he has hyper. You know his name?
Mazi Namdekanu.
Okay, I don't know his name. Now, thank you very much. Now, they said,
Governor.
He said, no. I have never in my life, in fact, from what somebody said, see, I don't read all this. I'm not in social media. I'm not into all this.
But it's all over all the newspapers.
No. In fact, people tell me, my commission of information, my SA media, they tell me what they read. I said, I've never met this guy. He said, oh, they supported me. How? From where? I've never met you. Igbos live in River State. Whether I like it or not, the Yorubas live in River State. Whether I like it or not, the Hausas live in River State. Everybody look at the people who are contesting the election to say, look, this one we think will do a good job for Rivers people. It's not for you as a person. I don't know now, what do you call it, Mazi? I don't know what's called Mazi or whatever. Okay, he says Mazi. Right. I've never met him. I've never seen him. Never one day. And people just bring sentiments upon sentiments upon sentiments. I will never in my life deny the Igbos. When we're Eastern Nigeria, we have a relationship. Nobody can deny that. And it was that strong. But to say, okay, assuming we're Igbos, assuming, but River State is River State. And by the Constitution, this local government is called Oyibo local government. Now you come from Abia State to change the name of a constitutionally recognized local government that is no longer Oyibo, is now Obibo. You come to Port Harcourt local government to tell them this is what local government should be. Who would allow that to happen? No, who would allow that to happen?
What he said is that
Yes.
Biafra
Yes.
covers 13 states,
Yes.
and Rivers happens
Yes.
to be one of those states.
Okay.
that
Can I tell
Biafra
you?
covers. Yeah, that's what
Can I tell you? Can I tell
Yes,
you?
please.
It's really, with all due respect to you, don't say I'm very abusive, but please confirm it to me. It's very insulting to Rivers people. Very insulting. You know what happened in the Civil War. Everybody knows what happened. Some people supported Biafra. Some people were with Nigeria. You know that. So it will be wrong for him to say during the Civil War that everybody that was in Biafra covered Rivers State. It will be very, very wrong of him to say that. If, for example, a particular people supported Biafra, you don't take it, there's nothing wrong about it. Everybody look for where will it suit us? What will be our own interest? But for you to say, because some sections in Rivers State supported Biafra, means that the whole Rivers State supported Biafra. It is very childish, it's very, something you can say is not quite informed. Which history did he read? Let him tell me the history he read. Does he know about Adagaboro? Does he know that in Rivers State you have a lot of ethnic groups? You have the Calabaris, you have the Okrikans, you have the Queres, you have the Epeyas, you have the Abuas, you have the Eche, you have the Ogonis. All these people, that's why Rivers State is one state. You cannot say you have one ethnic group. That's why it's a complex state. You cannot say. So is it telling me the Ogonis are Igbos? Is it telling me the Calabaris, the Okrikans, or the Jaws in Rivers State are Ogonis? Is it telling me the Epayas are Ogonis? Is it telling me the Obas are Ogonis? Is it telling me the Queens are Ogonis? Simply because we may have some relationship in terms of names, just like you said, Dele Momudu, Dele Giwa, who you would think are Yorubas. What kind of history are people bringing? I will not be a party to that. I will never in my life deny the Igbos. When we're in Eastern Nigeria, we have a relationship. Nobody can deny that. And it was that strong.